How does ExpertOption work? How can you deposit and withdraw money from ExpertOption? Those are the kind of the question I've been receiving from so many people, how to make money on ExpertOption. And this video, you are privileged because I'm going to be showing all this process at just once in the less than 10 minutes, and you're going to be getting it very clear way. If you're not a follower of this channel, make sure that you do that in a very quick way. Just click subscribe, make sure that you like this video as well, and also make sure that you check the comment section because that is where we actually interact all the questions that you may be having. So when you go to my description of this video, you see the link of the ExpertOption. When you click that link, it will take you to where you can actually register. Registration to the ExpertOption is just easy as 1 2 3 because you just need the email for the first time, and then you just put your password exactly like that. So I'm going to be putting the password around this area now, the password. So after this password, I'm going now to click open account. So when you click the open account, is actually very easy now because now your account, you will be having now what we call now the demo account. Remember, now you have the demo account, you have the real account, but it's not verified, of which you actually come to verify later because of what you actually be doing here: deposit and withdrawals, linking your number, and all that I'll be showing you also in this process. The first thing that you get from this application is what we call the bonus. So you see, you actually get 100% bonus because when you deposit $100, you get on top of that $100. All these actually do things that you can actually see around this area. Now the next thing that is actually so interesting on ExpertOption here is you get a demo account where you get a $10,000 demo account to practice on, and you can just practice, see how it happens here, practice you lose and make money until you actually master the game. Then you can deposit if you don't have the skills on that. Let me show you something quick over here how to deposit. You click finance, you go to the deposit. It's very easy. Actually here we are using the FXPesa number because you know FXPesa is actually the local number in Kenya. You can use crypto, Airtel, a lot of them. They are actually here. You just choose which is actually convenient with you. So I'm going to be selecting $20 at the moment for the practice purposes, and then I just go and click pay USD. Now this is actually very easy. Then the first thing that you actually do is to put your full name, and it's just easy like that, your full name and email. Then here I have to put my phone number that is actually going to pay money because the money will be deducted from that number, and then it is very easy because your phone will be triggered, and all you just have to do is to put you just put let me confirm that you just put the password. You just put the password. Okay, so after putting password, then the money will actually be processed on your account. Very easy, and you see it's actually you have deposited that amount of money. The conversion here was 130 Kenya shillings, which is actually very okay right now. And you can see now I got how much? I got 40 because I got a bonus of 20. So imagine you register for the first time and you get a bonus of that. I have to verify that email like that. It's very easy. I've actually folded some of the videos here to make sure that you don't stay long on that. You can verify here by confirmation of your number and all that. So I'm going to be taking a quick trade here of $1 so that I can show you how it normally happens in a very easy way. So I'm going to be clicking buy so I can buy here. Remember, this is just because I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. So I'm buying, so you can see this green that is actually around this area, so it means that it's 30 seconds and it's going to be ending. So remember also it's very interesting because you can decide even to close the trend, and during that process if you realize that maybe you are the trend is not going on your side, you can see I want that trend like that. You can decide to take another one and all that. So let me show you how to analyze the chart. It's very easy. For example, number one, I'm going to change this chart into candlesticks. Remember, it's very easy to analyze on the candlesticks. So I select, first of all, I'm going to increase the time frame to 15-day time frame. at least you now be able to observe the candles well. I click candlesticks here. There are a lot of things that you can select, and you can see now we have the candlesticks. For the forex traders who have been trading, you know candlesticks is very easy to analyze and all that. So we already have candlesticks. We'll be seeing how people will be entering in different positions. That is very easy. So the next thing I'm going to be doing here is now hand indicators. You see how indicators just work. Is very easy. First of all, you're going to be starting with we can start with RSI, relative strength index. This shows the overbought and oversold areas. For example, when the market passes the yellow, the orange line there, it is overbought. When it crosses the green line, it is a signal for buy, and that is what we're going to be getting here. Let's add a Bollinger Band because we're going to be combining these two indicators in a very easy way. So when this market touches on the upper side, it is actually as again for the sell. On the downside here is a buy. But remember, this big space that we have for the Bollinger Band here is a signal that when you see big one, it means the market is so volatile in that scenario. So let me switch to the demo account so that we can practice this together, because I have not yet analyzed the market. I'm going to be clicking buy around this area after this market has crossed over 30, below 30 here, and you can see it is down there on the Bollinger Band, maybe a support zone, and I'm going to be clicking and buy, and let's see what we're going to be getting here in a very easy way. You can see this blue line that you can see here. In case the market touches that, you can see we have won that one. So when the market touches that, you can see now that is the time you will make money, when the market touches that and the trend has just gone on your side. So it's actually quite easy because you can keep practicing on that. You can see now the market is start now rising, and that is actually the reason we are using RSI and combination of those two indicators to try and make money from that. You can actually practice on that, come with your own strategy. You can use a lot of things. You can see the balance, just be looking at the balance where you started until the moment we are talking right now, and you can see the balance is increasing because I've taken so many trends around that area, and you can see the imbalance is actually increasing in a very, very, very nice way. So you can see now when you see something like that, and then you can see when you go to the live account, you can see now we have this amount of money. But remember, I can actually, the reason we have that amount of bonus is because the bonus actually you can even decide to trade with all, but your profit is going to be your profit. Okay, the other thing is you can select different time frames down here, or you can select even to 5-minute time frame. It just depends on what you actually want around that area. The other thing that you can see on the other side, as we said earlier, is that you can close anytime you realize the trade is not going on your side. You can decide to close, but you'll be closing less, as you can see around that area. One fantastic thing alive this is because downward here you can as well, there's a position where you can see the trend, how the market is doing, whether it is Euro USD, how it is actually doing around this area. You can see Euro USD flat, how decanned, you can see how it is performing here. It is actually up and showing you that it's on the uptrend. So you can come to the trend here and search for the hound card, so that you know the market is moving up, so that most of you, what you're going to be, decision that you're going to be making here is exactly going to be what is actually going to be buys that you're actually going to be focusing on. Here you can select outcome, and you can just be looking at what is actually happening on outcome. That is the purpose of now checking those analysis right over there. So all these practices, as you're looking which one is working, you can actually try on the demo account to make sure that you are sure of your strategy so well. Yeah, if this is what you'll be checking on, there's it's going to be so amazing. The other thing is that you can become a partner of this platform by just becoming here, and you can see you can get good advantage here. You copy the link, you share to your people, and you're actually going to even to be getting 4% of what they get from this platform. You can see if you have 100 people actually going to be getting this platform, you can get good amount of money. If you have 10 active members, you can be getting around $1,500. That's a lot of money that you can actually get here. You can see there are a lot of people who are actually making a lot of money through the referral program here. on ExpertOption. So that is another option of making the extra way of making money. If you have your friend, you can copy the link and share to them, and that is going to be so amazing. There are other ones actually here. As we are talking about this, remember, if you use my link, you're going to be getting those bonuses we talked about earlier. So that is going to be interesting. You get 100% bonus when you register with my link. Check on the description and also on the comment section. I'll be pinning my link here so that you enjoy these amazing offers. You can see when you invite over 10, you get 4%, between 6 and 10, 3%, and also 2% when you invite between 1 to 5 users in this platform. There are a lot of things to enjoy in this platform, but let me just show you how to withdraw from this platform. It is very easy. You just go and click withdraw. After clicking withdraw, you just put your M-Pesa number and then you request for the payment. But remember, this very interesting, you actually complete the KYC, that is personal identification. You can upload your ID, passport. It actually be required here so that your money actually come to your M-Pesa and all that. You complete the KYC well and everything that you actually needed here to make sure that you don't have any problem with the withdrawals. And you can see for me now the withdrawals is just pending just for a few days or hours, and then I'll just be having money on my M-Pesa exactly like that. So if you have a problem of withdrawals, make sure that you verify your account, complete the KYC. Unless you can even upload the KRA pin, and the KRA is actually going to complete that, and that is going to be so amazing. So if you love this video, make sure that you like, comment down below. Let me just know the question that you have. I'll be responding on that. Also remember, also the ExpertOption as an option of contacting the customer care. You can contact the customer service to help you every time, any day. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.